Welcome to the channel, and if you've been hunting for a working Hostinger promo code or Hostinger coupon code that actually saves you serious money, you're in the right place today. I've personally tested and verified everything I'm about to share with you, so you can follow along with complete confidence. Let's talk about how the Hostinger discount system works because there's a smarter way to save that most people don't know about. You can apply a standard Hostinger coupon code during checkout and receive a 10% discount. That's the basic option. But if you use my exclusive partnership link, which is posted in the description and pinned in the comments for every country, you will automatically receive a 20% discount applied directly to your order. That's twice the savings without any extra steps, and it works across every single Hostinger plan available right now. To put real numbers behind this, let me share what happened with my own Hostinger business web hosting purchase. Buying just 1 year upfront cost me around $41, which sounds reasonable until my renewal came due and jumped to approximately $95 per year. When I recalculated and switched to a 48-month plan from the start, my entire 4 year cost came to just $108 total. That's the kind of difference smart plan selection makes, and it's why I always advise going with the maximum available duration to get the lowest effective price per month using the best Hostinger promo code deal possible. On top of the discount, Hostinger throws in a free domain name and 3 bonus months when you order through my link on a longer term plan, making it genuinely one of the best hosting deals available anywhere online right now. To claim your discount, head to the link in the description or comment section where I've shared direct country specific links covering all regions in local currencies and languages. From there, simply browse to your preferred plan, whether that's hosting or web hosting, VPS, cloud hosting, or their website builder. Select your package and complete your order using a fresh email address not previously registered with Hostinger to ensure full discount eligibility. That's all there is to it. Go get your Hostinger deal today and build something awesome.